Okay, we are going to take a look at number 4 on this paper, and it says for each figure determine the indicated measures. And it asks us to find the measure of arc, and that's what that little curved line up above is arc QS. Now, I asked you guys to go back over the vocabulary from week 15. Hopefully you did, but to remind you, in case you didn't, an arc is a part of a circle. It goes from one point to another point. So an arc, if it's less than 180 degrees, is a minor arc, and if it's more than 180 degrees, it's a major arc. So what are we even talking about degrees? Okay, well, if you take a look at this one, now I'm not answering this question yet. I'm just going over some things with you. If you take a look at this angle, it's a central angle, by the way. It's a central angle because its vertex is on the midpoint of the circle. And if you look at this central angle, it's 47 degrees. So the measure of arc UT, which would be written like this, okay, the measure of arc UT is 47 degrees. Okay, if you're talking about arc ST, its measurement would be same as the central angle, 55 degrees. So that's how you find the measure of arcs. Um, so, 1 second, let me pause this. I can't pause it because I can't find it. Okay, I just paused and I'm sorry about that. I know that was crazy, but anyway. All right, so in this problem, you're looking for arc QS's measure. So it goes from Q all the way around here to S. So that would be this central angle plus this central angle. Arc QS is going to be 2 angles. Now, the problem here is I don't know either one of those 2 angles, so I can't just add them up. If I was looking for US, arc US, I could easily just add these 2, but I don't know them. So I have to think about what do I know? Well, I know that a straight line is 180 degrees. So 47, 55, and angle RPS has to be 180 degrees. So that would be 47 plus 55 plus whatever this angle is equals 180. 47 plus 55 is 102 plus that angle I don't know equals 180. Subtract 102 from both sides, and that angle that I don't know, I now know, is 78 degrees. So this angle is 78 degrees. All right, now I know that QT is a straight line. So that's 55 plus 78 plus, I don't know what QPR is, that's 180 degrees. So this time I'm going to say 55 plus 78 plus X equals 180 degrees. All right, so I'm thinking, if just a minute ago I had 55 plus what turned out to be 78 and 47 here, now I've got 55 plus 78, 47 would probably go here. Now, how can I prove that by the picture? Well, what do we know about vertical angles? Vertical angles are the same, aren't they? So I don't have to do another algebraic equation. I can, but I don't absolutely have to. I can say vertical angles are the same. So this would be 47 degrees. Now, why couldn't I do that here? Well, I don't have a vertical angle, and I don't have a measure for the vertical angle, even if there was one. So, but now I have the measure of all the angles. So now I'm looking for the measure of arc QS. So QS is going to be 47 plus 78. So I just add them up, that's all. And that's 125 degrees. So I'm not going to write it on there, but, well, I guess I can. It's 225 degrees. Okay, and then RQT, that would be RQT, and it has to go in that order. It starts at R, it passes through Q, and it goes to T. This is a major arc because it's more than 180 degrees. Because from here to here is 180 degrees because there's a straight line. Okay. Also, major arcs have to be named with 3 letters because if it would have just said RT, we would have taken the closest route from R to T, and that would have been a minor arc. But this is a major arc, so they said it goes from R to Q to T. So I need to know what that is. Well, I know that from Q to T is 180 degrees because there's a straight line, and from Q to R is 47. So I say 180 plus 47 is 227 degrees. So arc RQT is 227 degrees. All right.